Juliana, Andy, huwag na parayan.
Ayoko gago. Ba't ko papapirma sa'yo?
Sa teachers lang kasi walang pinag-play ko
Oo,
eh.
din eh. Sa teachers lang.
Ayoko. Ang ibang ballpen?
Amity! Iiyak na ako! Ay, joke lang. May graduation pa pala.
Ay, si Ma'am Tenebs. Wala akong
Nothing more left for me to say, but good luck. Okay? Good luck to each and every one of you. Good luck to your future endeavors. Good luck to your future selves. In these past few months, every one of you, have been the most capable, competitive, and skilled, most talented students that I've encountered. Okay? And I'm not the only one who can testify that. Every teacher can probably see your potential. And like what I said, you guys are capable. You can do almost anything. It's not a question of can you do it? It's a question of will you do it, right? You want to compete outside or you want to compete here in school, you can. You have the capacity to do that. You have the skills to do that. The knowledge to do that. It's not a question of if you can. All of you can. Now, that being said, I have to, as your senior as well, I have to give you a short advice when it comes to life. Obviously, we always hear this, life is unpredictable, okay? Life has a way, just because you're the most smartest, talented, and hardworking people, okay, that doesn't mean that life will give you everything that you want. And it's okay, okay? It's okay if sometimes you feel like you're not doing enough or not enough. But, you know, that's just what life is. If there's anything that I want you to take from this today is that I want you to give it your best without losing yourself. I want you to give your 100%, but also left something for yourself. Okay? Because in the end of the day, nobody knows what the future holds. So, with that being said, there's nothing left for me to say than good luck. Good luck, Amity. Good luck to each and every one of you. Good luck. Good luck, everyone. Okay na, lahat na nakapagano dito. Tatago mo na.
Hindi ko suotin to. Nalagay ko sa memory box.
Successful sa college pa lang tayo bata.
May karangal. Mike Alexa P. Balis. May karangal.
Amity?